isa pong, security, international security analyst ang kasi nag-react siya about this. Sabi niya po, bakit kayang gawin ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas yan sa Chinese national, knowing that one of the Chinese law that was passed by CCP was this: Chinese nationals are legally obligated to assist states' intelligence work when asked. And with this, intelligence people coming from CCP are obliged by the government to get potential information asset. Dahil daw po ang sabi nung paliwanag niya dito, kapag wala daw pong visa ang isang Chinese national pag pumunta ng Pilipinas, wala po itong embassy interview, no proper behavioral screening, no intelligence flagging, no pre-entry network tracing, and no historical movement analysis, which are factors to determine kung yung isang tao may balak na espionage, kumuha ng information assets ng isang bansa. And especially sabi nila within 14 days na pala daw mag-penetrate espiya. Para ano po ang reaction niyo diyan? This is alarming para sa akin, when I heard about this and I read yung ano.
I'm thinking na lahat ng ito hindi kaya, like, how could this have gone through? Gibo is not just yung parang hindi naman si Gibo newcomer. He's not somebody that wasn't trained outside of the Philippines. Paano nakalusot kay Gibo?
Hindi po kaya meron silang issue ako iniisip ko, maganda po yung angulo yung sinabi niyo. Ang iniisip ko diyan baka sa loob may issue kaya lumalabas yung Unlucky 9 na magkakaroon daw po ng balasahan sa gabinete. And maybe this is one of the reason why probably kasi imposible dahil Gibo is one of the sabihin na nating WPS, eh.
Na-approve na ba?
Nag-start na po yesterday. Yun ang pinakahuling balita po.
Interesting.
Kita ko po, to be honest, when I was working on these materials, ako din nagulat ako kasi maraming mga security analysts nagsasabi, you cannot let them, kahit isang araw nga lang daw po, they can actually extract information. And remember po nung panahon ni Duterte, isa po sa mga naging issue na hindi pumutok pero lumabas siya after si Duterte, na apparently merong favored network company from China ang naglalagay daw po ng satellite sa loob ng mga military bases. Lumab
I heard about that, yeah.
Yep, and totoo daw po 'yun. And apparent one of the things na nakuha daw po nila is what the American military forces are trying to do sa mga military base na malapit sa port ng Pilipinas. Unidentified, information na nakuha ko pero ang pinupuntirya talaga is yung mga port natin. Yun kaya
I'll be honest, I haven't heard of this, but i-research ko ito. Kasi it's so unusual na di matiktikan ni Gibo, something like this. Na, di ba, we've been so vigilant about yung mga pogo, tapos
yep.
and then all of a sudden, you're gonna let this through. Hindi, sabi nga, they could establish a safe network site in 14 days. Yeah.
Iba na ngayon ang ginagawa nilang espionage. Espiya, minsan one example is si Alice Guo. 'Di ba nung napatunayan na talagang Chinese national siya, nagtataka kung bakit, nakapasok siya na-elect siya bilang mayor, papaano nangyari na ang tagal niya sa Pilipinas ta's wala siyang masyadong alam sa kultura ng Pilipino. Parang isa daw po 'yun sa isang halimbawa na sinasabi nila na, these people are trained. From the very start
Mhm.
na pinanganak sila, they are trained paano makipag-blend sa kultura ng tao. They know how
Sa
to deceive people.